I'll tell you something absolutely shocking about extramarital relationships in India, which contradicts what most people believe. Well, most people tend to think that most number of adultery cases would happen in cities of Delhi and Bombay. However, I was looking at the data of Gleeden, which is an extramarital dating app, and it said that the most number of users actually come from the city of Bangalore. And if you look at the most number of growth in users is actually from tier 2 cities of Jaipur, Chandigarh and Patna. But let me tell you something even more shocking. Most people believe that a lot of this adultery happens in urban India and not in rural India. But there was a survey conducted by the National Family Health Survey in 2019, which found out that there are 11 states in India where women have more intimate partners compared to men. And which state tops that list? It's actually Rajasthan, where women on an average have 3.1 intimate partners compared to men who have 1.8. Now, what does this tell you about India? There are so many people in India who are absolutely dissatisfied with their marriages but still don't break away from their families. Or maybe they're just trying to battle loneliness and depression, which is why they engage in these activities. So either one could start a business which is into extramarital dating, or there is a huge opportunity for people to build ethical companionship businesses so that people can deal with their mental health. A lot more in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.